Breaking news. The news is about this. My mom said that the slime stays in the bucket thingy, whatever it's called. And you just poke holes in it and feel it. But I didn't listen to her and we had a big accident. So I'm gonna ask my sisters for some help. Okay? Sissies! Yeah? What's wrong? I had an accident with the slime and I need your help. Wait, where's Rosie? Coming. Sorry, what's up? I had an accident with the slime and I need your help. Just go in the tub and rinse it off with Mommy. But Mommy can't find out. Oh, then we don't know. Bye. Oh, and by the way, the poop is still in my diaper from the last video. Honey, did you take the slime out of the bucket thingy bin thingy? Me.